Welcome to an episode of The Joys of Coloring in Animation. What we're going to do today is go onto YouTube. The clip that we're going to be taking from is Steamboat Willie. Once you have downloaded your clip, you need to go into Photoshop video, click on File in the top left corner and click Import. It should come up with a few options, but the one you want to click is Video Frames to Layer. For this part, only select the amount you want to color in. For us, we're going to be coloring in the part where Mickey is whistling. So we move the arrows so that we get the right amount you want. After that, click OK and it'll open every frame of the clip onto each layer. Then you can open Timeline to play your animation. For coloring in your animation, you can use tools such as the bucket tool. And bada bing, bada boom. We got it colored in. And there you have it, folks. Your mouse is all colored in. That's all the time we got for now, and we'll see you folks later.